Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a recipe for Besan Hair Wash Powder. Here at home, we use different herbal powders for having hair wash. Using herbal powders takes some getting used to, as they don't lather much. But if we formulate the recipe well, it'll be very easy to use. Besan, also called as gram flour in English, cleans the hair surprisingly well, and traditionally, we have been using it as a hair wash powder for years in our village. When using Besan, make sure to buy good quality Besan for best results. We can prepare this hair wash powder for just one wash or in bulk and store it in an airtight box and use whenever necessary. So even if you're staying in a hostel, you can still use this powder. Just make sure to keep the powder away from moisture, else it'll spoil very easily. The first ingredient we need for making this powder is neem powder. Since neem has antibacterial and antifungal properties, it treats all scalp problems, including dandruff, itchiness, and scalp boils. I have also tried this recipe using hibiscus powder and it works really well. So if you don't want to use neem powder, you can also use hibiscus powder too. The second ingredient we need is fenugreek powder. Fenugreek conditions the hair well, and it also treats dandruff very effectively, along with promoting hair growth. Adding fenugreek in this recipe is important, as it helps make the paste gel once it is mixed with water, making it very easy to use. The final ingredient is Besan. Like I have mentioned before, try to use good quality Besan. Adulterated Besan is more common than we think. Good quality Besan will be yellowish white in color, not reddish yellow. I'll leave the online links for buying all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. First, take quarter cup of Besan in a bowl. Now add in a tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Finally, add in half tablespoon of neem powder. Now mix well with a spoon till the ingredients are mixed well together. You can also make your own powders by sun-drying the ingredients and then powdering them in a dry mixer while they're still crisp from sun-drying. Once mixed well, make sure to store this mixture in an airtight box away from moisture and it will last well for weeks together. You can also double or triple this recipe too. To use, take the required amount of powder in a bowl. Now add in enough rice water or water to form a quite runny paste. Now mix well with a spoon to get a smooth mixture. Once the mixture gels, it will thicken, so make sure to make a runny paste. Now let it sit for an hour. After an hour, the mixture would have gelled into a thick paste like this. Unlike plain Besan, this paste will be very easy to use. To use, apply all over the scalp and hair, sprinkle some more water and rub gently for a few minutes. Wash it off and then condition your hair as usual. This powder can be used by everyone. Since we are using fenugreek just for a few minutes, it will not cause any sinus infection. I normally use this powder after very light oiling. But if you have oiled your hair really well, you'll have to use this paste twice. The benefit of using natural powders like this, as opposed to store-bought chemical-based shampoos, is that there'll be no product buildup in the scalp, which can lead to all sorts of scalp problems. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.